So meat crab is more you go for, it is more meaty. But the roe, of course, as the name suggests, you are going for this orangey beauty.
Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. This morning I went to the local morning market and I actually found someone selling raw crab, gao xie. Actually, this is very hard to find now in Malaysia. Not easy. So when I saw it, I quickly buy few. Actually, this is 3 pieces of gao xie with 1 pieces of normal meat crab. So meat crab is more you go for, it is more meaty. But the roe, of course, as the name suggests, you are going for this orangey beauty. Look at this, beautiful. Very hard to find recently. And how much I pay for it? I think per roe crab I pay 16 ringgit. This one slightly larger meat crab I pay 25 ringgit per piece, right? So after you wash it, I cut it open, and of course you have to make some cracks, yeah, on the claws. And today I'm going to make it to make a raw crab porridge, Teochew porridge style, where I'm going to pre-cook some rice. This is approximately 1.5 cup of jasmine white rice here, and then we have some. This is Chinese celery and some, or you can use fresh coriander. And this is some ginger, and of course I'll be using. Let me see. This is some tong choy, yeah, a must in Chinese porridge, and some fried onion or fried garlic, and I'll be using some saltfish powder. Or if you don't have saltfish powder, you can probably use anchovies. Use anchovies, put it inside a tea bag and cook it for probably about 5 minutes. Then you have an anchovy soup. That is good enough. All right, so I have some boiling water here. First of all, I'm going to add in, this is the saltfish powder. And of course, I'm going to add in the rice. Ooh, immediately my soup is ready using the saltfish powder. So the thing about Chinese porridge is that after cooking, you will still be able to see the individual grain of the rice itself. That's the difference between a rice porridge. It is therefore it is cooked. It is also called the rice porridge. I don't mind putting some of the ginger right now, and also part of the Chinese celery, or sometimes they call it soup. What? Daun soup. So I'm going to season this with some salt. Few dashes of fish sauce. I shall let it cook for about 1 minute before I continue. Oh, I haven't added in my tong choy, a pinch of tong choy here, just to give it enhanced flavor. Some fried onion. All right. Actually, if you just merely want to cook some Teochew porridge by itself, this is it. The Teochew porridge actually already can be eaten. Very simple, and of course, you can actually give it a few dashes of white pepper. This is how simple a Teochew porridge can be. Of course, today I'm going to up this Teochew porridge level to a few level up by adding in raw crab. This is a luxury version. But of course, make sure you wash your crab thoroughly, right? Wow. Look at how beautiful it is. Look at this. Put in the claws. You can notice there are two claws here, which is very big because this is coming from the crab, the meat crab, 肉蟹, yeah. This is the one coming from the meat crab, yeah, without the raw, but more meatier. And last but not least, you also want to put in how you call this? We used to call it helmet. The crab helmet. Ooh, hot. I'm just going to close this and let it cook for about 2-3 minutes. Then it's basically done. Right, this is after about 1 to 2 minutes. Wow. Wow, I can smell the raw. Super strong raw flavor. My goodness. That's it. I'm going to off the fire. Right, look how simple it is. You can further season with some white pepper and garnish it with ginger and also the Chinese celery later. Alright, so here's my raw crab porridge. To garnish it with some ginger and also Chinese coriander. And a few dashes of white pepper. Done. That's how simple it is. Alright, I hope you like my very simple video today. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook page to click like and follow button. Follow up on the Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.